Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to share with you how you can attach a document in your Gmail account. So keep watching. In this video I will show you step by step process to attach a document in an email. Okay, so stay tuned. So friend, first thing first, we are going to open Gmail account, and now you can see that this is my Gmail account, and here we are going to compose an email, and now we are going to type here. Okay, and attachment, here we are going to type a message, please find an attachment. Okay, and now, okay, done. So friend, here you can see that we have two things. Here you can directly send internal link, here you can attach a files. Okay, when you click over here, so you can see that here we can attach document. So this is document. Okay, so by this way you can easily attach document. Now we are going to attach a image, for example a image. Okay, and after that I'm going to attach mp3 file like this. Okay, so this mp file is attached now. Okay, and when your attach will done, you can directly send that email to your friend or colleague. Okay, and here friend, this is the first method. Second method, what you will do, you simply open the directory where your attached file is available. So here, for example, this file we want to attach over here. Okay, so this is the PDF file and I want to directly drag over here. So what happened, you can see that this file will automatically attach over here. Okay, so whenever your attachment will done, you can simply type your email ID where you want to send this email. You can simply add that name and then place on this send button, and your email will send to that particular email ID. Okay, so friend, this is a tutorial which I want to share with you guys how you can easily attach a document, PDF, JPG file into your email. Okay, so friend, if you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment below, so I will give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.